How do you take pictures of the night sky with an iPhone? Hold your iPhone up to a bright light and read the on-screen exposure settings. Lock the exposure when the settings are around ISO 50 and shutter speed between 1/250th and 1/750th depending on the phase of the moon, faster speed for brighter moon. 3. With your exposure still locked, go outside and focus on the moon. How do I clean my iPhone camera? Apple suggests using a lint-free cloth to clean all iPhone surfaces, especially the camera lens. Breathing on the phone can provide just a hint of helpful moisture. Use your cloth to make small circles with soft pressure. Don't forget to clean the flash near the lens as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.